my name is Pablo, and welcome to the Bankroll Challenge. You might be asking, who is this guy and what is he doing here? Well, I'm a 26-year-old professional poker player from Spain, and let me tell you a bit about my story. I first got into poker in 2017. At the beginning, it was just the casual sit and goes that you play with friends for a few bucks. But for me, it quickly turned into a full-blown passion. And at the end of that year, I took 100 euros, put it into stars, and started grinding NL. As a hobby, I started moving up the stakes until I got to NL50. The major turning point came in 2020, when I found a pretty rough stretch of breaking even. I decided I would give poker one last chance. I would join the BTS CFP, and if that way I could not continue moving up, I would quit poker. With guidance of some of the best poker players in the world, I was able to retake the winning path, and I turned pro that year. Currently, I am playing mid-stakes, and I'm even taking some shots at 2000 NL when a good table comes up. These days, I'm a BluffTheSpot coach, and I love sharing my experience, teaching strategy, and helping other players improve. But let's talk about something exciting, the Bankroll Challenge that we're doing now. Here's the deal. We are starting with a 1k bankroll from NL50, and the goal is to build it up to 10k. The rules are, we move up when we hit 20 buy-ins of the next stake, but we move down when we hit 15 buy-ins of the same stake. I'll be streaming it on Twitch live twice a week on 5 PM and 7 PM Central European Time, Tuesdays and Thursdays. I'm confident we're gonna crush this challenge. It's not gonna be easy since we'll be streaming live, but that's part of the fun. See you on Twitch. Like, this guy is aggressive. I prefer letting him bluff or whatever. I have no info though. I mean, these kind of things we played quite well as a check, I feel. We don't have many, like, pre-streets much. And now, for example, like, there are a lot of hands that we can get called from. Some king jack, queen jack. And I think a 9x is gonna call everything, right? A strong looking hand or recreational, so. Oh, what the fuck? What was that? Oh my god. He went for the snap call as well. Poker is dead, they say. You're gonna go ahead and 3-bet. Tables are looking good. Okay, here, we're just gonna go 1/3 range. Is he a recreational or regular? I assume he's a regular. Playing from Poland. So yeah, probably a regular. Okay, now we have two options. I mean, probably barreling is too much. So then we're just gonna check. And we have some value versus ace queen, ace jack, but then he has all the pocket pairs. Now I think we're just gonna bet small. Can't get value from ace queen, ace jack. Don't think we will get raised as a bluff much. Okay. Good luck, bro. You realize the rate on GG normal tables is 90 per 100 plus bad beat jackpots. Yeah, I knew that. But I have aces. Wait. Okay, gonna dunk over there. Yeah. Okay, we get the fold after the dunk, and here ace is gonna go ahead and c-bet 1/3. Okay, that's a nice turn for sure. Gonna go ahead and barrel something like that. I mean, there are many bad rivers, to be honest. 6 was pretty good. Okay, and we get another 6. We like that. Gonna go ahead and jam. Ace queen. Well, you know, that's not good enough. 6 is gonna go ahead and call versus the 3-bet. And table 4, we call Jack 7 suited because there was a recursion on the big blind. And now they throw the turn that I need to bluff. I mean, we get it through. We get it through, nice. Here we're gonna call with the 6s. Not amazing situation, but I think it's a call. Oh. Yeah, here I think I like a stabbing. I don't think people really do much. Like, it sucks if he goes for a check jam. I don't think people check jam much, right? But when I say that, it's when people, I don't know, okay, we have 150 big blinds, then that's awesome. I love the stab because he's never check jamming. Nice. We're running pure 7s. Oh my god! What the fuck? It's a good start. Okay. Gonna go ahead and do the cheeky call. And now I will be answering your questions. But yeah, I had a few hands. Hopefully we get some chill. Here, what should we do? Like, we could go ahead and check. But I mean, it's a turn. I'm gonna be stabbing a lot. It makes sense to stab. Aggressively overall. Okay, it's at times. And here we go ahead and defend blind be blind. We could go for the 3-bet, but we're gonna go ahead. Oh my god, we don't stop flopping. Come on. Yeah, we can call or raise. I'm gonna go ahead and call. I think I just want to go for overbets. Wait, I have too many hands now. Ace 10. We went ahead and bet. I think I'm gonna go ahead and barrel. It's not super standard, but I think I like barreling. It's a 3-bet pot, which I see it on the flop. Okay. No, I'm gonna go ahead and check fold. You can have a lot of, 8s, 9s, Jack 10, Queen 10. There are some bluffs, sure, but I don't think there will be enough to make a check call. Like Ace 5. Like, yeah, Queen Jack, Jack 9. That's a decent amount of bluffs, actually. I'm probably gonna check call, actually. Painful. Well, you can. Yeah, mainly jam, I guess. Okay, we get it in. Oops. It makes sense to run it twice, I guess. Please. Not this time, man. He's a player. Give me the jack on the turn. Come on. Oh. Yeah, it's not much. That's not much. Okay. Here I have the good old aces. Oh my god. Why you give me so much? Yeah. And here with the deuces, we call a 3-bet. On this flop. I mean, it's my flop, right? We get to do things here. We call a 3-bet because he went quite small. Turn is not the best. Probably gonna be checking back. I don't think I wanna use this hand as a bluff, right? Especially if it's to someone that I'm not sure if he's really a very capable player. I mean, I guess I do have enough showdown. Do I want to do anything? Like, what would I be targeting? I got 7x. I think I'm winning enough, right? Versus random hands. Not 100% sure, but I think. Yeah, I win. Okay. Okay, you're gonna go ahead and c-bet. On the flop, you get a pretty nice looking situation. Carloncho. Well. I mean, you have different options. I think mainly barreling. You're gonna go with small sizes. I don't think so. And river, well, do not have the best blockers, but yeah, I don't think I'm gonna be giving up. Hopefully he finds the fall with a king, queen, king, jack, jack 10, queen 10. Okay, he does. Don't know what he had, but I don't care. As long as he folds. Yeah, I went ahead and 4-bet. It was cutoff versus button. And, well, got a good flop. Turn is not the best. I still have different options here. Good. Yeah, I think like a barrel turn. Yeah. I'm checking it's totally fine. It's a hand that needs a bit of protection. Okay. Yeah, not sure what that is about, but I mean, it looks strong, right? Like someone raising EP this spot, like if they're doing it with that was a good river. Not good if he had a hand for value though. Yeah. It's pretty hard to find bluffs there, I think. Is it worth overbet bluffing versus unknown? Yes, for sure. I mean, people fall a lot versus overbet, so I probably bluff more versus unknowns than versus known players. Because, yeah, if they get to know me, they usually will be playing a bit more aggressive, like in terms of calling versus me more aggressively. Here, we could check call or we could check raise. We still win. We have a decent showdown. Anyway, I think I'm gonna use it as a check raise. And then barrel river all day. Yeah, just half pot. I think that will be enough. Nice. We also have a hand going on here. Let me show it. So we did go for a raise versus this guy who had I saw the recreational, and now the recreational goes ahead and calls. So I mean, I think just gonna bet flop. He calls. I think checking should be a good option. Like, he has a lot of hands that he can do stuff with. Yeah, now though, I think I'm just gonna check jam. I think so. I'm not sure about what's the best play, but yeah, I think that's fine. A6. Okay, now we gotta hold. We only run it once though. That's a nice river. Oh no, that's not a good river. Fuck. I didn't notice. Damn. I went ahead and defended on the button versus what seems to be a recreational. And now they throw me this beautiful turn. So I am barreling. Okay, I look strong, but I mean, I got a strong hand. Hope you don't have a stronger one. Do you? No. It's a strong hand too, I gotta say, but not strong enough. And no, running it once only, I'm afraid. Nice. Here, I think it's gonna go huge. In case he has a king, I can get it all. Whoa! Only quads. Only quads. I mean, now I'm getting it all, right? No snap. Isn't he holding a king? Is he thinking about folding with a king? Come on, you're a 70x. That would be a disgrace for any recreational player. Yeah, I have a 3. But okay, queens. I like it. Actually, I have a webinar right now at 7 p.m, so I'm running a bit late. Sorry for the webinar guys and the guys in the CFP. But if anyone actually wants to join and see what all these stationary calls are about, well, actually gonna be doing our series on playing versus recreational, and that will be very interesting because it's something I've been studying a lot, and a lot of the calls you see here in the streaming, which are questionable, are usually versus weak players. So there is a reason why I make those calls. And yeah, that was the stream. We ended $100 up, so that's 2 stacks. Well, no, that cannot be right. Actually, I only have $1,050 in my account, so yeah, I probably made $50 in that case. You can see here. I will see what's up with the graph. But yeah, we got $50. So we won 1 stack. Well, I mean, we got a lot of action. So I like it.